Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Today we are making lentil soup. It is for Miami, cold and rainy day, and I want a great simple soup. There are at least 12 kinds of lentils, including fancy red lentils and beluga lentils from Rancho Gordo. We love them. But today we are using basic brown supermarket lentils. I'm using simple supermarket lentils for a couple of reasons. Mostly because I want you to be part of my Simple Soups class that I'm teaching this Thursday through Miami-Dade Public Library, the Alapata branch. And another because sometimes basic and simple is what you need. So let's do it. You know, I think I almost have a spice addiction. In addition to the 24 spices I have within easy reach, I've got so many in my pantry, I must do something. This doesn't call for anything except a bay leaf and some aromatics. 1.5 cups of celery, 1.5 cups of carrots. Little garlic, little olive oil, some broth. You could even use water. I'm gonna heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add my garlic, my carrots, and my celery. Get all my aromatics going. And this is so strange for me because I have at least as many lentil soup recipes as there are lentils. So why am I doing this basic one? It's in my cookbook, Feeding the Hungry Ghost. It is simple for my Simple Soups class. And also because sometimes simple brings things together in a really amazing way. My husband and I were out walking the dog the other night, and my neighbor said, "Hey," when this particular neighbor says "hey," it may not be a good thing because we are on different sides of the fence politically. And she said, "Hey, I have your cookbook." I was sort of surprised. And she said, "Your lentil soup recipe? It's the bomb." Wow. I'm going to add my cup of lentils now and 4 cups of vegetable broth. You can even use water. A nice bay leaf. And that is really it. Sometimes it doesn't take a lot to bring things together. Now I'm just going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to put a lid on it. Turn it down to simmer and let it work its own magic without a lot of fuss for about an hour. You can do this in an Instant Pot in about 20 minutes, but I gotta tell you, a pot of soup simmering on the stove on a cold day, it's a wonderful thing. You don't need to mess with it, it will take care of itself. We have reached boil, so I am about to turn it down to simmer, but I am trying to send the aroma of the soup your way. Even with just aromatics, it smells wonderful, and lentils are so meaty and terrific. High in protein, high in fiber, you can't beat this. Here we are an hour later, and we don't have carrots, celery, and lentils bobbing in broth. We have something that has coalesced into something beautiful. It smells heavenly, and I could spice it up, but it doesn't need it. Sometimes simple is good. Just going to sprinkle in a little salt and pepper. If you think soup looks lonely, you can serve it with vegetables and dip, or crusty bread and vegan cheese. But some simple is just what you want. So please join my Simple Soups class. It's free, it's virtual this Thursday. And let's do it. Yeah, ma'am, that is it. So simple, so good. Till next time, everyone, this is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.